With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, let's discuss the question. The maximum negative integral value of b for which the point 2b plus 3 comma b square lies above the line 3x minus 4y minus a into a minus 2 equal to 0 for all a belongs to R is. So let's begin with solution of this question. So first I will teach you the concept we will use here to solve this question. So if a straight line is given to us, that is ax plus by plus c equal to 0, if this is our straight line and here the value of this b, which is coefficient of this y, this must be positive, that is greater than 0. And if a point is given to us, that is p x1 comma y1, then if ax1 plus by1 plus c, if this is positive, this is greater than 0, then the point p x1 y1, p lies above the line, means that this point p lies above this straight line, so this will lie above the line. So from here, for our question, the line is given as this line where this coefficient is negative, so we will make this positive, and then we will substitute this point into this line equation, and then we will equate it to greater than 0. So from here, our given line, that will be written as minus, or we can say minus 3xy, here will be plus 4y, and here will be plus a into a minus 2, and this is equal to 0. What we are doing, we are just multiplying this equation of line with a negative sign to make the coefficient of this y positive. So from here, this is our straight line, and our point coordinate are 2b plus 3 and b square, so we will just substitute here. So we get this as minus 3, here will be 2b plus 3, and this will be 4, here will be b square, and here will be a into this a minus 2, and this must be greater than 0 because this point lies above the line, so this will be greater than 0. So from here we get this as minus 6b, so minus 6b, here will be minus 9, so minus 9, this will be 4b square, here will be this a square, and here will be minus 2a, and this must be positive, so this must be greater than 0. So from here we get our quadratic, that will be a square, here will be minus 2a, and this term, that is 4b square, here will be minus 6b, and this will be minus 9, and this is greater than 0. So from here, if this expression, this a square minus 2a plus 4b square minus 6b minus 9 is always positive, then what will happen? The discriminant of this equation must be less than 0, because if d is less than 0, then the quadratic expression is either above the x-axis or below the x-axis, so this will be satisfied. So from here, for this expression, the discriminant will be b square minus 4ac, and here if we will compare this equation with the general quadratic equation, which is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So for this equation, the discriminant will be this b square minus 4ac, that will be the value of discriminant d. So for our equation, if we will compare with this expression, we get our value of discriminant, and that will be given by this coefficient of this a, that will be minus 2, so here will be minus 2 square, and here will be minus 4 into the value of a, which is coefficient of this a square, so that will be 1, and here will be this 4b square, that is this term, that is constant term, so this will be 4b square minus 6b, and here will be minus 9, and this must be less than 0. So from here we get this as 4, and if we will take this 4 common from both the terms, so we get here as 1 minus, here will be 4b square, and this is negative sign, so this will become positive, so this will be plus 6b, and this will be plus 9, and basically this is less than 0. So from here our expression will become minus 4b square, here this will be plus 6b, so plus 6b, and here this will be 1 plus 9, which is 10, so this will be 10, and basically this is negative. So from here we will further solve this, so we will take all this term on this side of this inequality, so we get this as 4b square, here will be 4b square, here will be this minus 6b on this side, so minus 6b, and minus 10, and that will be greater than 0, so basically this is greater than 0. So from here we will just take 2 common from whole expression, we get this as 2b square, and here will be this minus 3b, and this will be minus 5, and basically this is positive because we are cancelling from the whole equation this 2 which is common. So from here we can solve this expression by splitting the middle term. So this can be written as 2b square. This minus 3b can be written as minus 5b plus 2b, and here will be minus 5 greater than 0. So from here, taking this b common from here, we get b, and here will be 2b minus 5, and here will be plus 1, and here will be this 2b minus 5, and basically this is greater than 0. So from here we get our two factor, that is this b plus 1 is first factor, and another factor will be this 2b minus 5, and basically this is greater than 0. So from here we get our critical point. Our critical point for this inequality, that will be this b equal to minus 1, so minus 1 here, and this will be this b equal to 5 by 2 from this second factor, so this factor. Now how will this inequality satisfy the given condition? That if we will substitute a value of b greater than this 5 by 2, then this term must be positive, and this will also be positive because 5 by 2 is a positive quantity, and this plus 1 is also positive. So this here will be plus sign, that is after the value of this 5 by 2, this inequality will be positive. Similarly, if we will substitute a value between these two critical points, so this bracket will be positive because after minus 1, this will be positive. But here, this bracket must be negative because after 5 by 2, this is only positive. So from here, we will get our negative sign, that is between these values, the inequality will be negative. And similarly, if for this b plus 1, and if b is less than this 1, so this side, this will be positive because for this will be negative and this will also be negative, so both will become after multiplication positive. So basically this is the value. So from here we can write that for the expression to be positive, the value of b, that will vary from minus infinity to this minus 1, and this 5 by 2 to infinity. So b belongs to minus infinity to minus 1, open interval here, and this will be union, this will be 5 by 2 to infinity. So from here the question is demanding the maximum negative value of the b. So maximum negative integral value of the b will be just less than this minus 1. So just preceding value from this minus 1, that will be b equal to minus 2 only. So answer to this question will be b equal to minus 2. So option C is matching. So option C will be the correct answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.